Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody.
All right, here we go. We've got pastrami. Oh, it's a new fried egg sandwich with cheddar cheese, a couple of pickles, of course, a nice cage-free egg, some mustard, and some Italian bread. That's what I'm talking about. Mike Foster here. Another fried egg sandwich. I know you've been asking for them. I keep trying to make them. I'm going to make a lot of the new ones that you guys sent me for examples, for advice, for different ones. I'm going to keep going. But I'm going to make other kind of stuff. But right now I'm on a fried egg sandwich kick. And today's is a killer fried egg pastrami with that really deli feeling with mustard and pastrami and pickles and cheese. Toss a fried egg on top. What could happen? I don't know. I think it'll be killer diller. Meet you at the stove. Okay, we have a medium pan, a little butter. Let's have this egg. Oh, that's a nice looking egg, isn't it? You could tell by the, that really golden color in the middle. Okay, on medium, let this go a minute or two, then we'll go from there. All right, little pepper. I like 4. I'm gonna lower the flame just a little. And see this right here, it's still a little goopy. I'm gonna wait another 30 seconds, then flip it. All right, this one's ready for a flip. Perfect. Shut it off. Give it another 45 seconds in the pan, and then we'll prepare that sandwich. All right, to this a little butter, just a little on each side, like this. Now the mustard. This is the key component. Mustard is key to pastrami. That's beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. Mustard is my friend. We take this cheese and put that baby right there. And we take this pastrami and pop it on. Pop it on. Dare me to say it again? I'll say it again. Pop it on. You guessed it, more mustard on both sides. Then those pickles are right here. Now the killer part, the fried egg. There's that baby. Put that baby right here. Oh, I think it looks perfect. Now we do the old flipperoo. Ooh, perfect. Presseroo. Let's do the sliceroo. I don't like to hide it. Let's do it without me hiding it. All right, the revealy. Ooh. Oh, look at that. The egg is. Oh, that's perfect. Let's get a close-up. There's the close-up of that killer fried egg salami sandwich. We also have cheese. We also have pickles. Can't wait for a big bite. Alrighty, there it is. I don't care what it looks like. I don't care what I thought it would be like. It's all about, the bite, the pickle, the mustard, and the creaminess of that egg all got me at the same time. The pastrami came in. All of the flavors mix and match. This is really good. Please check out Live Life 365 and all my recipes. Fried eggs is a small part of Live Life 365. I have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. Check them out. Tell people about it. Until next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Cage-free, right? I think it'll be killer diller. Still needs a little more to solidify this white. Give you an idea. When it comes across by itself and moves without interference, it's ready for a flip. There's a little tip. That's the way we used to. When the salami wasn't there, which is sad, because it's a pastrami sandwich. Oh, sweet bamboo. People know me as the fried egg sandwich king, which is nice. I appreciate it. But I used to be a vegan. I used to be a vegetarian. That's long gone. Pastrami. But I have self-help videos. I have videos about classic videos of other than fried eggs. I got turkey, chicken recipes, fish, hamburgers.
get healthy. I get low carb. I've got Baba.